What might happen to a project if the scope suddenly increases? We mentioned before that if we are going to, let's suppose NEOM project is 100 kilometers, we want to increase the scope to 100, from 100 to 110, then there will be things happen, and we call them scope, time, and cost triangle. So if the scope increases, for example, we had 100 kilometers, we had 10 years, and we have 100 billion of cost. If this is going from 100 to 110, of course, this is going to be increased, and this is going to be increased as well. So if we do not balance, so we have to increase the time and we have to increase the cost. If we do not balance, then what happens is we are going to have a poor quality in the project, and increasing one affect the other one. As I said, if scope is increased, sometimes we can avoid certain things. For example, if we are going to increase the scope from 100 to 110, we want to keep the time to 10 years, but then that we have to increase the cost, not only 10%, but maybe more than that, because we want to have more labor, more machinery, so we don't compromise on time. So this will happen. So one or the other, at least one has to be affected, and we have to balance it. Otherwise, our quality of the project will be affected. Effective managers balance all three throughout the project. So it's not just we start from beginning from here and then we go to the end. The managers don't look at here and there. Every single step they observe small things and make sure every single thing is done properly, so we can reach the final goal on time and within the cost that is allocated to the project. The project management, a triangle, shows that how every project must balance scope, time, and cost. If one side changes, the others must be adjusted to ensure the quality of the project. Otherwise, there will be a problem with the quality and the time or the cost. What challenges might delay a project?